Assalamualaikum students, welcome to the classes of Sufa English High School. This is continuing of geography chapter number 1. So let's start. Though the earth is huge in size, we can tell the exact location of places on the earth using latitude and longitudes. Note that the distance between two adjacent parallel is the same everywhere, but the distance between two adjacent meridians is not the same everywhere. We can see this even on the segment of an orange. The distance between the meridian is the maximum on the equator and goes on reducing towards the poles. At the poles it is 0. Now in this parallel, it is said that because latitude run parallel to each other and never meet the other latitude, but distance between the longitude decreases and as they go towards the pole. Now finally all longitude meet at the pole and the distance between two adjacent meridians is not the same everywhere. Because the distance between two adjacent meridians of the longitude is maximum at the equator. Now that will 111 kilometer. Okay, now go to the next paragraph. The distance between any two adjacent parallels is 100 kilometer on the surface of the earth. The distance between two adjacent meridians is also 111 kilometer on the equator. To locate the places within this distance of 111 kilometer exactly, we need to divide the unit degree into smaller units. Degrees are divided into minutes and minutes into seconds conventionally. Latitude and longitude are expressed into degrees, minutes and seconds. Each degree is divided into 60 minutes and a minute into 60 seconds. These values are expressed using the symbol degrees. Now in geography, degree means unit of a measurement that indicate this distance between lines of the latitude and longitude. Now in geography, wherever you want to search location of a particular area, so you will have to measure with the unit degree. आपको ये measure करना पड़ेगा कौन सा सेकेंड है. Now which minutes and seconds, which degrees divided into 60 minutes and minute into 60 seconds. Now degree is written in this symbol. Degree minutes is written in comma form symbol and second is written in this double comma form. Okay, now go to the graticule. This is graticule. This is the graticule. The parallels and meridians on the globe form a net that is called a graticule. This facilitates determination the location of a place. See figure 1.10. Thus, we use latitude and longitude or determining the location on the earth. This method is being used even on today's modern age quite effectively. Geographical information system, global positioning system, as also Google Maps, Wikipedia and Bhuvan of ISRO on the internet also make use of latitudes and longitudes. This technology is also available on mobile phones and motor cars. Now see, this is the GPS system. This is the GPS system. GPS system instrument. This one is. Now GIS is a store used to store, analyze and visualize data of a geographic position on the earth surface. Now GIS is a computer based tool that examines a relationship of the pattern and trends. Now Four main ideas of GIS is to create geographic data, to manage it in a database and analyze and find pattern, visualize it on a map. Now, GPS is a global positioning system. If it has been developed it in order to allow accurate determination of geographical location. It is based on the use of satellite in the earth orbit that transmit information which allow to measure the distance between the satellite and the user. Okay children, now this we complete the chapter number 1 of geography. Hope you all understood the graticule and the earth and the graticule chapter. Thank you.